Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like a rather warm, muggy, and off and on soggy week. You can see all the clouds over the Arctic in the middle of this Monday afternoon. Not a whole lot of rain yet. That likely will change as we go through the afternoon as temperatures have warmed into the mid to upper 80s. What we're watching as far as our weather pattern is much of the same. We have this weakness here across the western sections of the country, these subtle little disturbances which give us the occasional flare-up of showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to continue as this weakness will kind of meander across the western half of the country and probably will stay there through all of this week, and it may be until the middle of next week before we see a little bit of change towards a drier weather pattern for our area. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robin Sawyer to FUTURECAST. You can see that tonight these scattered showers and thunderstorms that develop this afternoon should quickly wind down as we go through the evening hours. Tomorrow, more than likely, we're going to see a mostly cloudy sky, some sunshine mixed in, and you can see as we go through the afternoon, we'll see more sunshine. A few of those scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop. It looks like the rainfall chances might be highest over the southern sections of the area. Going through tomorrow night, that rain will likely decrease with a few scattered showers remaining possible. And then Wednesday looking promising that we'll see showers and thunderstorms across pretty much all of the Arctic with, again, a few heavier downpours across the region. Now, we're not going to be looking at much of a severe weather threat for the rest of this Monday afternoon. A marginal threat according to SPC, meaning that if we have any strong to severe storms, they should be somewhat isolated in nature. And you can see as we go through the next few days tomorrow, not much of a threat in our area, and the same goes for Wednesday as well. As far as rainfall potential, look at those numbers here with FUTURECAST. It looks like feast or famine, as it very well could. We could have spots that pick up hardly any rainfall, and you can see FUTURECAST kind of hinting that the southern half of the Arctic could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain in a few spots over northwest Louisiana as well as in East Texas. And keep in mind that threat of rain, this is just the beginning. As we go through the next 10 days, notice this weakness that I pointed out here in the Pacific Northwest. Notice too that as we go forward, we're going to continue to see basically a southwesterly to southerly flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This disturbance here will bring us a pretty good shot for the showers and thunderstorms to close the week. And then we'll see what's left of it to kind of sit here across the desert southwest. We still have the ridging to the east of the Arctic, which means still a southerly component to the upper level winds, which will keep us humid, keep that chance of rain in the forecast through the weekend. And it may be until the middle of next week before we see ridging begin to develop here across the western sections of the country and a more northwesterly flow over us, which should shut down the rainfall and provide us with a little bit of a cool down heading into the middle part of next week. So your forecast looks like this for tonight. Expect the scattered showers and thunderstorms that develop across the area today to wind down and eventually end. We'll see a mostly cloudy sky with lows in the mid-60s, 67 in Shreveport, 65 degrees for the low temperature tonight in Texarkana. Tomorrow, going to be looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms. That'll be most numerous across the southern half of the area. Rainfall chances looking lower further to the north, as highs will mainly be in the mid to upper 80s across the area. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures pretty much staying in the 80s for daytime highs, anywhere from the low 80s for a few days, upper 80s for a few days. Notice that we will see the rainfall chances finally diminish some as we go through the middle part of next week, as the nighttime lows showing you the impact of that north wind dropping just a bit, showing you we may get a little bit of a break in the humidity levels as well towards the end of the 10-day period. So again, no major changes in our forecast for the next several days. Keep that umbrella handy as we'll continue to see warm and humid conditions with the occasional round of showers and thunderstorms across the area.